Hello everyone. So today we'll be seeing about how to code underdosage in ICD-10 CM. Okay. So this is also an important topic which is very much needed while practicing for your CPC exam or when you're studying this medical coding everything. You have to know all these stuffs. Okay, so in this first you have to know what is underdosage. Before that, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video we are going to dive into ICD-10 CM coding for underdosage. Underdosage happens when a patient takes less medication than prescribed, which can lead to treatment failure or other health issues. So we'll see the definition for this. What is underdosage? Underdosage occurs when a patient receives less of a drug that's what is prescribed, either because of the patient's failure to follow the prescription, issues with the drug delivery, or other reasons like side effects preventing them from taking full dosage. This can lead to ineffective treatment. For coding this ICD-10 underdosage, we have the codes categorized in the form T36 to T50 range. These codes are used for situations where a patient is not receiving proper amount of drug, whether intentionally or unintentionally. So T36 to T39 will give you the poisoning and adverse effect. 40 to 45 give you the underdosage. Example, underdosage of pain medication. So here how do we find the code? Start with the index in ICD-10 CM. You have to look for underdosage of drugs. Under that you have to choose the specific drug. From that you have to locate the code. Example 2, underdosage of antidepressant. Here the patient is prescribed 100 mg of antidepressant, but he is taking only 50 mg because of unwanted side effect. For this we will be coding underdosage of the drug, that is T43.9x1. Search for underdosage of drug in table of drugs and chemicals. Under that antidepressant, below that you can find the code. Few key points when coding underdosage. First is specificity is the key. So for example, if we don't use, like, first of all you should know the drug class very clearly, and then you should know whether it is underdosage, overdosage, whatever it may be, that you have to document properly and avoid errors. Step 3 is sequencing the codes. Always sequence the condition caused by underdosage first. Whenever we are coding for underdosage, the condition for underdosage will be sequenced first, followed with the T code. Okay. So first you have to code for the condition which has resulted because of this underdosage, and second you have to code for the underdosage. Third you have to code for the external cause code. Here I have given an example, underdosage and hypertension. A patient with hypertension stopped taking their full dose of prescribed antihypertensive medication due to fear of side effects resulting in elevated blood pressure. So first here you are coding for hypertension, second you are coding for underdosage of the drug, and third you are coding for fear of side effect. A second example, underdosage and seizure reoccurrence. Patient with a history of epilepsy reduced their anticonvulsant dose due to financial difficulties. Here first you have to code for epilepsy, second you are coding for underdosage, third you are coding for underdosing medication like unintentional withdrawal due to financial hardship. Summary. So to wrap things up, coding underdosage accurately is critical for correct billing and effective healthcare delivery. Always strive for specificity in your codes and ensure your documentation supports the situation. I hope this video helped you to understand how to correctly code underdosage. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you. We'll catch up in the next video. Also, if you are interested in more medical coding tips, don't forget to check out my other YouTube videos. I offer detailed training and insight into complex coding scenarios. So subscribe for more updates, and if you need help with your coding skills or certification, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.